So following on from the room definitions video, we can now actually copy all of these rooms up through the building. So you can see we've got the floor above is a carbon copy, plus one of the spaces on the floor above is the same as well. So we can use the copy floors command. So what we need to do is to effectively go up to the edit menu, and on the end there in the copy area you will see floors. This presents you with a dialog box split into two halves. The left hand half is the floors that you're copying from, in this case the ground floor. We're copying to the first floor over on the right side. If we had a 20-story building, we could grab all of those floors in one if we wanted to. Obviously, for the purposes of this exercise, we're only doing one floor. A few choices here which you need to be aware of. Obviously, if you're doing this for a second time, you need to make sure any existing rooms on the target floor are deleted. Otherwise, you will just pile room on top of room on top of room, which you don't want. So if it's the second time you're doing this to amend a floor above, make sure you delete the existing rooms on the target floor. Display target floor after copying rooms merely takes you to that floor. So once we've completed this process, it'll take me to the first floor and show you those spaces. If the height is different, so if it was 5 meters between slabs on the first floor, the elevations are different, it will just stretch the height of the room to suit. Applying a room filter allows you to not necessarily copy all the rooms. You can tick from a list of rooms the ones that you want to copy upstairs. This is particularly suitable if you are copying only some rooms on a floor plan. Bits and pieces may change on a revised floor plan, which there's another video for. Resetting room names as well. You might want to apply a prefix. So I might want to apply a prefix 1st hyphen in front of every room on the first floor. But there is a room renaming facility. We can do that. And again, there's another video for that. So all I then need to do is to apply the selected profile to all the copy rooms. So that's the office profile. So that will apply those profiles as well instead of leaving them blank. I then select OK, and that's all of my rooms copied up through the building. Now this office here, I could take this one, right button click as we did before in the previous video, copy room. All I need to do then is view level up. The space above, and while it's hanging around on the end of my mouse, just dump it into position. And there's a room up there. I could change the room name. Change that to second. Okay, that. Also, you can view all of the rooms in 3D as well. This enables you to view the entire model in 3D. So you can see your room spaces as you develop them.